Gulf Stream, you hear the south wind moan. Bridges getting lower, all the shrimp boats are coming home. The old man down in the corner slowly turns his head, takes a sip from his whiskey bottle, and this is what he said.
Too much.
I was born in the rain on a puncher train underneath the Louisiana moon. Don't mind the strain of a hurricane that come around here every June. The high black water, the devil's daughter, she's hard and she's cold and she's mean. Nobody taught her, takes a lot of water to wash away New Orleans. Chicago, he only said that levee ride. He said it needs to be about 3 feet higher, won't make it through the night. The old man down in the corner, he said, don't you listen to that boy. Water be down in the morning, and he'll be back to Illinois. I was born in the rain on a train underneath the Louisiana moon. Don't mind the strain of a hurricane that come around here every June. High black water, the devil's daughter, she's hard and she's cold and she's mean. Nobody taught her, takes a lot of water to wash away New Orleans. The south wind moan, bridges getting lower, all the shrimp boats are coming home. The old man down in the corner slowly turns his head, takes a drink from his whiskey bottle, and this is what he said. I was born in the rain on a puncher train underneath the Louisiana moon. Don't mind the strain of a hurricane